Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you guys a new kitchen gadget that I use that has made making breakfast sandwiches so quick, convenient, and easy. I am able to provide breakfast for my family in no time. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so I stumbled upon this nice little gadget that helps making morning time breakfast simple for me. I am easily able to create a breakfast, lunch, or dinner sandwich that is quick for breakfast, perfect for brunch, or a quick meal on the go. What I love best is that all removable parts are dishwasher safe, surfaces are covered with durable non-stick coating, saving you time in the kitchen. I am able to cook 2 sandwiches to my liking, and I know when it's ready with the built-in digital timer. In 5 minutes or less, I have 2 perfectly assembled sandwiches that are ready to eat. You just build the base of your sandwiches in the bottom layer, place the egg and your sandwich's top layer on the upper cooking plate, and close the lid. Just use your favorite bread, cheese, eggs, meats, and much more. That's it. It's simple and quick. Alright guys, so that's it. If you are looking for an easier way to make breakfast for your family, this will be linked below. Make sure to check it out. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, be blessed. Bye.